He's got the Winston cup on there. My friend had one. He flipped it over.
Oh no.
He liked to drink a lot. A lot of people try to get this color, but they don't quite get it. Who painted it? So this thing started going off a couple seconds ago here. Let me turn down the radio so I don't get a thing here. Show you where the cop is. Oh, there he is. Switch to the rear window. He's pretty far away considering he was moving and I was moving. When he's aiming away and I'm aiming away, it's not all that far. Clayton Cars and Coffee. And it is a great day.
Yeah, man, I want this or that. Okay, what you want?
Everybody is just hanging out, and chilling. This is just a social event. I love these right here. You see, is this a Red Express? It looks like a Red Express truck. They only made them like 2 years. He's got the Winston cup on there. My friend had one. He flipped it over.
Oh no.
He liked to drink a lot.
Oh, that one. And I called him. I said, dude, we got him way up there.
Here's what I gotta do. I gotta get a model of my car on there. Header comes pretty close to that steering. Clayton Cars and Coffee and heading to Wake Forest. You can see a whole group of Camaros, 2 Challengers, mostly Camaros. recognize some of the cars from before. Let's take a look at this guy right here. T-bucket. So here's Katrina's car. Cheshire Cat. What a great day here in Wake Forest. Do me a favor, hit the like button. Do be sure you're subscribed to the channel because I'm going to be shifting things around a little bit. The car shows are nice. We're going to try some new things. We got a good old days. Fun riding this. All right, let's see what else we can find. Just love the nose of these GTOs, don't you? And then they, like the Firebird, kind of had that same nose. It was really cool. Oh,
hey, Carrie, where's the water for the dogs? Where's the water?
Some of these really nice cars. So Vanessa said they got different classifications and by different years. So, you know, obviously if you don't have a car that looks like this, you can still show your car and maybe bring home a trophy. People try to get this color, but they don't quite get it. Who painted it? Just, you gotta love it. So headed into Charlie's for lunch. Got a Charlie special, gotta love it. And it's great Mediterranean food. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take off now. Really good, great car meet. And it isn't really that hot if the breeze is going and you're kind of in the shade, but standing right in the sun, not moving, it can get a bit rough. So if you do go to a car meet, get those chairs that have a little umbrella over. Anyway, let's see where my car is back here. Hopefully it's still here. Yep, I still see it. Alright, so I'm out of here. Thanks for checking in. Take care. Have a great day.
I wonder if you know your body's like a bomb, taking on a love, can't turn back time. I wonder if you know.